Hello, everyone. Welcome back.
Hi there, I'm Lucy.
And I'm Tom. Lucy, can I ask everyone a question?
Of course.
Everyone listening, what do you do for fun?
That's a great question.
It's one of the most common conversation questions.
People ask this all the time.
At parties, at work, when meeting new people.
And today, we're teaching you how to answer it.
Plus vocabulary for many different hobbies.
Let's begin.
So, Lucy, why is this question so important?
Great question.
People ask it everywhere.
Yes, at social events, at work, in classes.
Even in job interviews sometimes.
Why do people ask this?
Because it's a safe, positive question.
It helps you make friends.
It shows your personality.
And it creates common ground.
Common ground.
Yes, if you both like the same hobby, instant connection.
Your hobbies make you interesting.
More interesting than just talking about work.
So, how do you answer this question?
Let me teach you some patterns.
Please.
Pattern 1. I like to plus activity.
I like to read.
Pattern 2. I enjoy plus activity.
I enjoy cooking.
Pattern 3. I love plus activity.
I love playing guitar.
Pattern 4. In my free time, I plus activity.
In my free time, I watch movies.
Simple patterns.
But you should add details.
Yes, make it more interesting.
How?
Say why you like it.
I like reading because it's relaxing.
Say how often.
I play tennis every weekend.
Say with whom.
I enjoy hiking with my friends.
Or where.
I love going to the gym near my house.
Let me give complete examples.
Yes,
I love photography. I take pictures of nature on weekends. It's very relaxing.
perfect.
I enjoy cooking. I try new recipes every week. It's creative and fun.
Excellent.
My hobby is reading. I read mystery novels before bed. It helps me relax.
And always remember.
What?
Ask the question back.
What about you?
Or, do you have any hobbies?
This keeps the conversation going.
Now let's talk about different hobbies.
So many options.
Let's start with indoor activities.
Things you do at home.
Relaxing activities.
I watch movies and TV shows.
I listen to music.
I read books.
I play video games.
Creative activities.
I paint and draw.
I write stories or blogs.
I do photography.
I make crafts.
Learning activities.
I learn languages, like you're doing right now.
I watch documentaries.
I listen to podcasts.
I take online courses.
Games are fun hobbies too.
I play board games with friends.
I do puzzles.
I play card games.
I solve crosswords.
What about cooking?
Oh, yes, I love cooking.
I enjoy baking.
I try new recipes.
I watch cooking shows.
And music.
I play the guitar.
I play the piano or drums.
I sing.
I compose music.
I have a student named Amara.
Tell us about her.
Amara loved board games.
Nice hobby.
At a party, someone asked, "What do you do for fun?"
What did she say?
She said, "I love playing board games with friends."
Good answer.
One person said, "Me too. What games do you like?"
Instant connection.
They talked for an hour about favorite games.
That's wonderful.
Now they meet every Friday to play games together.
A real friendship from sharing a hobby.
That's the power of hobbies.
Now let's talk about outdoor activities.
Sports and exercise.
I go running or jogging.
I play tennis, football, or basketball.
I do yoga.
I go to the gym.
I ride my bike.
I go swimming.
Nature activities.
I love hiking.
I enjoy gardening.
I go camping.
I take nature walks.
I go fishing.
I do bird watching.
Adventure activities.
I go rock climbing.
I do martial arts.
I play golf.
I go skiing or snowboarding.
I surf.
Social outdoor activities.
I have picnics with friends.
I go to the park.
I walk my dog.
I play frisbee.
Outdoor activities are great for health,
Fresh air and exercise.
and many are free.
Walking, running, nature.
Now, social hobbies.
Activities with other people.
I meet friends for coffee.
I go to parties and events.
I join clubs and groups.
I volunteer.
I attend concerts and shows.
Travel hobbies.
I love traveling.
I explore new cities.
I take weekend trips.
I visit museums.
I try new restaurants.
Collecting.
I collect stamps or coins.
I collect vinyl records.
I collect books or postcards.
I have a student named Sergey.
What's his story?
Sergey wanted to improve his English and make friends.
Good goals.
His hobby was coffee.
Coffee.
Yes, he loved trying different coffee shops.
I love that.
He found a coffee lovers meetup group.
Smart.
Every Sunday, they visited a new cafe.
And talked about coffee.
In English,
Perfect.
Sergey improved his English and made friends.
All through his hobby.
Hobbies can help you learn English.
And create connections.
Now let's talk about describing your hobbies.
How to sound enthusiastic.
I'm really into photography. This is informal.
I'm passionate about cooking.
I've been doing yoga for 3 years.
It's my favorite way to relax.
Have you ever tried hiking?
I'd love to travel more often.
Explain why you like it.
It's relaxing.
It's exciting or thrilling.
It's challenging.
It keeps me healthy.
It's creative.
I meet interesting people.
It helps me de-stress.
Show enthusiasm.
Your passion is attractive.
It makes you interesting.
People want to hear more.
Let's review everything.
Great idea.
What do you do for fun? Is a very common question.
Answer with I like or I enjoy or I love plus activity.
Add details. Why? How often? With whom?
Indoor hobbies, reading, gaming, cooking, crafts, music.
Outdoor hobbies. Sports, hiking, gardening, camping.
Social hobbies, meeting friends, clubs, travel, volunteering.
Creative hobbies. Painting, writing, photography, music.
Learning hobbies, languages, podcasts, documentaries, courses.
Always ask back. What about you?
Hobbies show your personality.
Shared hobbies create instant friendships.
Everyone's hobbies are valid and interesting.
You don't need expensive hobbies.
Walking, reading, cooking, all free or cheap.
The important thing is you enjoy it.
Now we have a challenge.
A challenge.
Yes, practice answering, what do you do for fun?
Right now,
Say your answer out loud.
I enjoy or I love plus your hobby.
Add at least one detail.
Why you like it or how often or with whom.
Practice this sentence.
Then use it in your next conversation
When someone asks about your hobbies,
or when you meet new people.
this question opens doors.
It creates connections.
And remember, your hobbies make you unique.
They make you interesting.
Don't be shy about sharing them,
Everyone has something they enjoy.
and people want to hear about it.
Great job today, everyone.
You learned about so many hobbies.
Thank you for learning with us.
Please subscribe to our channel.
And click the like button.
Now go share your hobbies.
See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.
Pronounce faster.